We're drowning in documents every single day, right? Handwritten notes, complicated reports. But what if our computers could go beyond just seeing the words? What if they could actually get it? Today, we're diving into Qianfan-OCR, a new AI from Baidu that's promising to do just that. It's not about reading, it's about understanding.
I mean, seriously, just picture it. You point your phone at anything. A super messy handwritten page, a crazy dense financial report, heck, even a 50-year-old newspaper. And bam, all the info you need, perfectly structured. That's the dream, right? Well, that's exactly what Qianfan-OCR is built for. But to really get why this is such a huge deal, we gotta look at how things used to be done, the old way.
So, for the longest time, teaching a computer to read a document has been, well, a bit of a mess. The best way to think about it is like an old-school factory assembly line, where each worker only knows how to do one tiny job.
So on this digital assembly line, the document gets passed from one specialized program to another. First up, it's all about figuring out the layout. Then, another program reads the text, and then another one tries to understand it. And this whole handoff process, yeah, that's where everything starts to fall apart. Okay, so here's how this clunky machine works. Step 1, one AI model just tries to map out the page, where the columns, the tables, the pictures. Then it hands it off to a totally different model that just recognizes the letters and words. And finally, a third model gets that raw text and is supposed to figure out what it all means. It's just so disconnected and really, really inefficient.
And this assembly line isn't just slow, it's super fragile. Think about it. If that first AI messes up the layout, say it misses a column, that error just snowballs down the line. Everything that comes after is going to be wrong. And by the time the text gets to the final understanding model, all that crucial visual info is gone. It has no idea a number was in a specific box on a form or that a headline was in a huge font. The whole system is just begging for mistakes, not to mention it's a nightmare to maintain.
All right, so Qianfan-OCR basically looks at that whole assembly line and just throws it right out the window. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a complete rethink of how an AI can process a document. We're moving from a chain of dumb steps to one single smart brain. And this slide really gets to the core of it. The old way? A whole bunch of separate, clunky models all chained together. The Qianfan-OCR way? One single unified vision language model. It looks at the entire page, the layout, the pictures, the text, all at once, and understands how it all fits together. And it has a really cool trick up its sleeve to do this. And that trick, that secret weapon, is this idea they call layout as thought. Now, stick with me here. It's basically an optional thinking step. Before the AI spits out an answer, it takes a second to create a full map of the document structure. It's figuring out the columns, the tables, the right order to read things in before it even tries to process the content. It thinks about the layout first. And as you're about to see, for really messy documents, that is an absolute game changer.
Okay, so that's the theory. And it sounds great, right? But does it actually work in the real world? Well, the researchers didn't hold back. They threw some incredibly tough challenges at this model to see what it could really do. First up, they gave it this: a page of dense, handwritten physics equations. I mean, this is basically a nightmare scenario for any computer vision system. And the task wasn't just read this. It was extract every equation and turn it into perfectly formatted LaTeX code. And if you don't know, LaTeX is the special language scientists use to write out all these complex formulas.
And the result? Honestly, it's just stunning. It got everything right: the integrals, the Greek symbols, the fractions, the little superscripts, and it generated flawless LaTeX code. It didn't just see the symbols, it understood the mathematical structure behind them. Wild.
All right, test number 2, a standard business form. The challenge here is to pull out all the labels, like name or date, and the info filled in next to them, and then organize it all into a clean JSON file. Just think of JSON as a super organized digital filing cabinet that other computer programs can easily read. This is a real test of understanding relationships between bits of text.
And it totally nailed it. The model parsed everything correctly, it understood the context of what went where, and it spit out a perfectly structured, ready-to-use file. I mean, this is the kind of technology that could automate mountains of boring data entry work.
Okay, for the grand finale, they pulled out the ultimate messy document: a 50-year-old yellowed newspaper. We're talking multiple columns, random ads everywhere, a totally chaotic layout.
And the prompt was basically asking it to be a journalist. Find the articles, find their headlines, and, oh yeah, also tell us which parts are advertisements.
And this, right here, is where that layout as thought feature really gets to show off. The model correctly found the main story about the cyclone, it successfully separated the articles from the ads, and it figured out the correct reading order across all those jumbled columns. Any traditional OCR system would have just produced a big garbled mess from a page like this.
So these examples are pretty incredible, right? But the important thing to know is that these aren't just a few hand-picked lucky demos. This leap forward is backed up by some serious numbers and top-of-the-line performance.
Yeah, this isn't just a cool party trick. When you stack it up against the industry standard tests, Qianfan-OCR doesn't just do well, it's actually leading the entire field.
Just take a look at this. This is the score from Omni DocBench, which is a major benchmark for this kind of tech. Qianfan-OCR hits a 93.12, and as you can see, that puts it on top, ahead of some really big names, including models from Google. So it's not just good, it's pretty much the best out there right now.
And here's the kicker. It gets this best-in-class accuracy while still being ridiculously fast. We're talking over a full page processed every single second on just one GPU. That means this isn't some slow academic project. This is tech that's ready for the real world, ready to handle huge volumes of documents.
So, let's wrap this all up. What do we have? It's #1 on the key industry benchmarks. It's a single, elegant, end-to-end model, not a clunky assembly line. It's got that innovative layout as thought feature that no one else has. Oh, and did I mention it understands 192 different languages? This is, without a doubt, a huge step forward.
You know, this kind of technology really changes the game. All of a sudden, these vast archives of history, incredibly complex scientific papers, millions of messy, handwritten notes, they aren't locked away anymore. They're becoming searchable, they're becoming structured, they're becoming understood. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What impossible document will we unlock next?